Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload 120 FPS videos to TikTok without losing quality after upload. Let's get started, shall we? You will need Topaz version 3.1.9, Adobe Premiere Pro, Handbrake Encoder, and FFmpeg. Links to download will be in the description or in my Discord server. This is the video we will be uploading today. As you can see, it's recorded in 4K and 120 FPS, and if you cannot record in 4K, follow these steps to upscale the video in Topaz. Open Topaz, drag and drop the clip into the Topaz. Select output resolution as 4K and 120 frames per second. Set frame interpolation to Chronos Fast and copy these settings. Click on Export. Let it complete the process. Now this is only for those who cannot record the videos in 4K. Since my video is already recorded in 4K and 120 FPS, I don't need to do this. Once you have a video with 4K resolution and 120 FPS, drag and drop it in Adobe Premiere Pro. Apply your color correction settings. My color correction settings will be shared in my Discord server, link in the description. Then export the clip using these settings. Before we continue, huge thanks to today's sponsor, Algo Trading Group. If you're into algorithmic trading, automated strategies, or looking for consistent and verified trading performance, definitely check them out. Algo Trading Group provides high-quality trading algorithms backed by years of verified results and consistency, including verified MyFX book accounts, so you can see real performance data transparently. They also help traders with proprietary firm challenge passing services and offer several other free tools and resources for serious traders looking to scale. I'll leave their website and their community links down below in the description. Once color correction is applied and the clip is exported, we need to enhance it. Drag and drop the clip in Topaz and copy these settings. I will share all my Topaz settings in Discord soon. Link in description to join the Discord server. Click Export and let it complete the process. Once the clip is exported, open Handbrake Encoder, drag and drop the enhanced clip there, and copy these settings. Handbrake has better compression efficiency compared to the other encoders. It preserves details in the video after compression, making it look like lossless compression. Once again, all my Handbrake settings will be shared in Discord soon. Rename the export file as input. You will see in a bit why. Press Start Encode button at the top. Once the process is completed, you will have a file named Input in your Videos folder, or wherever you exported it. Now we will be using FFmpeg. Type CMD in the address bar and copy this command and press enter. Now this command is only for 120 FPS videos. There is a different command for 60 FPS videos. I will share all the commands in my Discord server, link in the description. Now open TikTok Studio on your desktop and upload the output clip there. Wait for the checks to be completed and click on Post. You will now have 120 frames per second high-quality uploaded video in TikTok. This is my TikTok page if you would like to follow. Subscribe to my YouTube if this video was helpful.